Alright y'all, John and Parita, there's Parita, and all the family. There's so many of us that there was like 40 something of us, so they put us on 4 boats. So we're headed out now to 100 Islands. So I'll try to give you some videos and pictures of this really beautiful place out here. It's really amazing. Thank you, Jesus, for blessing us. There's all the family on this boat. I think it was like... Alright, you hear them all communicating, talking about what we're doing. There's more family on another boat right there, and I think we've got a boat coming up beside us right there. I think is also family, because they're trying to keep all of us together, because we're going to be having lechon, a roasted pig, on the beach of one of these islands, as well as grilled fish. And I'm talking about they have all of the sides, things to go with it.